Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into one of the most lucrative and dynamic realms of online business, affiliate marketing. But first, let's break it down. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now, let's talk about the perks. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or services. You simply leverage existing ones and earn a commission for every sale you drive. Plus, it's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer. Next, let's break down how affiliate marketing works. You sign up for an affiliate program, receive a unique affiliate link, promote that link through your content, like blog posts, videos, or social media. And when someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Now, on to finding the right affiliate programs for you. Look for programs that align with your niche and audience interests. Popular affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer a wide range of products and services to promote. Creating valuable content is key to successful affiliate marketing. Focus on providing genuine recommendations and reviews that resonate with your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, tutorials, or product comparisons, aim to add value and solve your audience's problems. Okay, so how do you choose the right products to promote? It's all about alignment. Look for products or services that resonate with your audience and align with your niche. Trust and authenticity are key here, folks. Building trust with your audience. Speaking of trust, let's talk about building and maintaining it with your audience. Transparency is non-negotiable. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Strategies for success. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of success strategies. From creating compelling content to optimizing your affiliate links, there are countless ways to maximize your earnings in this game. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these tactics. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of affiliate marketing. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on building your online empire. Until next time, keep hustling and happy affiliating.